say fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it bringing me out the dark. Finally I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your shit back. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't want the rest to make the things that I will do. They say fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the tears, you had my hood inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard the one on you, and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make it a home down there, as mine sure won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the tears, you had my hood inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in the tears, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessing to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow. We could have had it all.